Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to do a quick review of a set of LED replacement headlight bulbs from Alla Lighting. These bulbs are available on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to get them for yourself. These bulbs are in the H13 9008 bulb series type. And in the box we get a product manual. Worthy of note is that it specifies to get the chips opposed horizontally in your housing to get the best beam pattern. On the back, we have more information as well as specifications that if you have issues for troubleshooting, to install an error decoder for the CAN bus. So these are not CAN bus ready bulbs. We get a couple of spare O-rings and some cable management zip ties and our two bulbs. Starting at the connector, we have a standard H13 connector with what looks like strain relief but is actually hard plastic. Standard wires, a little bit of strain relief here at the driver module. Then it goes to a separate coupling. This makes installation a bit easier if you can't really fit this or need to modify your cable routing. And no significant strain relief at the base of the bulb. We have a large cooling fan and extruded aluminum heatsink, and a base plate connector in the 9008 H13 bulb type. Installation should be pretty straightforward. You can install this in the housing and then install this into the base plate. O-ring here for tension against here, and a good seal made by both of these to keep moisture ingress out of the housing. Moving up, we have a machined extruded aluminum casing held together with two screws, possibly a third one further down. And let's zoom in on those chips. Here you can see the chip sets. We get a low beam and high beam set of chips on each side. These are their newer TSCR series of lights. They are decently bright, but if you'd like to see their power consumption and brightness, you'll have to subscribe to the channel and wait for the full review that I will put out eventually. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give me a like. Let me know in the comments below if I missed anything that you'd like to have seen in a quick review. And until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.